A massive asteroid is heading in our direction, and scientists are keeping a very close eye on it. Asteroid 2024 YR4 was recently discovered, and while the chances of it striking Earth in 2032 are low, they are not zero. With a 1.4% probability of impact, this space rock has become the most concerning near-Earth object in recent years. If it were to collide, the damage could be catastrophic. But how did we find it? What makes it so significant, and most importantly, what can we do about it? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know. Asteroid 2024 YR4 was first detected on December 27, 2024 by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, ATLAS, in Chile. Almost immediately, astronomers realized this was no ordinary near-Earth object. Measuring between 40 and 100 meters in diameter, it is large enough to cause significant local destruction if it were to collide with Earth. This size range places it in the same category as the Tunguska event asteroid, which flattened over 2,000 square kilometers of forest in Siberia in 1908. What makes 2024 YR4 even more interesting is its eccentric orbit around the Sun. Unlike the nearly circular orbits of most planets, this asteroid follows an elongated path, making its trajectory harder to predict. The European Space Agency, ESA, has confirmed that on December 22, 2032, YR4 will make a dangerously close approach to Earth. While the current estimate suggests a 1.2% to 1.4% chance of impact, that probability could change as new observations refine its orbital path. Astronomers classify threats like 2024 YR4 using the Torino Impact Hazard Scale, which ranks potential asteroid collisions from 0 to 10. Most space rocks remain at level 0, meaning they pose no threat. However, 2024 YR4 has been classified as level 3, which indicates a close encounter that warrants attention. Currently, it is the most significant asteroid on the ESA's risk list. Despite these alarming figures, history has shown that early impact probabilities tend to decrease over time as better data becomes available. The reason? Most asteroid impact assessments begin with limited observations, making initial predictions uncertain. However, 2024 YR4 will soon move too far away for detailed tracking and will not be observable again until 2028, leaving a long period of uncertainty. This gap in observations means we may not have a definitive answer about its risk for several years. Near-Earth asteroids like 2024 YR4 are precisely why space agencies have spent decades developing planetary defense systems. While a 1.4% chance of impact in 2032 may seem small, it is high enough to warrant serious attention. If it stays above 1%, scientists might actively intervene to change its course. Right now, NASA, ESA, and the International Asteroid Warning Network are closely monitoring the asteroid's movements. Telescopes worldwide are gathering data, and in the next few months, astronomers will be using the Very Large Telescope, VLT, in Chile to refine trajectory models. However, as 2024 YR4 moves away from Earth, these observations will become increasingly difficult. If new calculations confirm a continued threat, the Space Mission Planning Advisory Group, SMPAG, a UN-backed team responsible for asteroid strategies, could propose an intervention mission. The most likely scenario would involve a kinetic impactor, a spacecraft designed to collide with the asteroid to slightly alter its path away from Earth. This method is not theoretical, it has already been tested. In September 2022, NASA's DART Double Asteroid Redirection Test mission successfully altered the orbit of the asteroid Dimorphos by slamming a spacecraft into it at high speed. The impact changed Dimorphos's trajectory by 32 minutes, proving that asteroid deflection is possible. If 2024 YR4 poses a continued threat, a similar approach could be used to push it off course. However, mission planning takes time. The sooner scientists know whether 2024 YR4 is a real threat, the better their chances of deploying a successful deflection mission. A more drastic measure, such as using nuclear devices to alter its course, remains a last resort, as it would introduce unpredictable consequences. If the asteroid were to hit Earth, the impact location remains uncertain. Scientists believe that asteroids this size tend to strike every few thousand years, and past collisions have been devastating. A land impact could create an explosion equivalent to several nuclear bombs, while an ocean strike could trigger tsunamis. Asteroid 2024 YR4 is not just another space rock. It is a wake-up call for planetary defense. Its discovery highlights both how far we've come in asteroid tracking and how much work still needs to be done. Early detection is key, and systems like ATLAS and Pan-STARRS have drastically improved our ability to spot potentially hazardous objects. However, 2024 YR4 has also exposed a major weakness: gaps in observational window. Once this asteroid moves out of range in 2025, we won't be able to track it again until 2028, leaving a 3-year period of uncertainty. This means we could be dealing with a threat that we cannot fully assess until it is much closer. To solve this problem, NASA and ESA are pushing for more space-based asteroid tracking telescopes, which could provide continuous monitoring without the limitations of ground-based systems. One such project is NEO Surveyor, a planned NASA mission that aims to launch a dedicated infrared space telescope to detect asteroids earlier and with greater precision. If NEO Surveyor were operational today, it could potentially resolve the uncertainties around 2024 YR4 much faster. Additionally, the success of DART has opened the door to further asteroid deflection missions. The ESA's Hera mission, set to launch in 2024, will analyze the effects of the DART impact in detail. The data gathered will be crucial in designing better planetary defense missions in the future. But beyond technological advancements, public awareness and international cooperation are critical. Events like the Chelyabinsk meteor explosion in 2013, which injured over 1,500 people when a 20-meter asteroid exploded in Earth's atmosphere, serve as reminders that even smaller objects can cause significant damage. The more we invest in detection and defense, the better prepared we are for future asteroid threats. Asteroid 2024 YR4 is a perfect example of why planetary defense must remain a global priority. While the risk of impact is small, it is not zero, and as history has shown, it only takes one asteroid on the wrong trajectory to cause massive destruction. By improving our detection systems and preparing for possible deflection missions, we can ensure that humanity is ready for whatever space throws at us. Asteroid 2024 YR4 is a reminder that Earth exists in a cosmic shooting gallery. While the risk of impact in 2032 remains low, it highlights the importance of continued space monitoring, planetary defense, and technological innovation. The success of the DART mission proves that we can deflect asteroids, but early detection remains our best defense. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, spaceinews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.